A taste session or tasting is conducted. This involves preparing and sampling each of the menu items to evaluate their taste, presentation, and overall quality. The taste session typically involves the culinary team, including chef of the day, chef of the week, and possibly restaurant mate or other practical students. Each dish is carefully assessed to ensure that it meets the desired flavor profile, texture, and visual appeal. A standardized feedback is provided, and any necessary adjustments or refinements are made based on the feedback received during the taste session. The final step is to present it to our guests during practical. I am Chef Rose. Before getting started, let's first know the importance of menu development. It is a vital aspect of the culinary industry, as it highlights the creativity and expertise of chefs. Our culinary workshop techniques allow our students to explore and create innovative menus, bringing a unique twist to traditional dishes. Now let's focus on the process. Let's go. Brainstorming. This is where ideas and concepts for the menu are generated. Factors like potential ingredients, flavor combinations, and presentation ideas are considered. The next step is development phase. Once the brainstorming session is complete, the menu creation process moves into the development phase. In this step, the ideas generated during brainstorming are refined and transformed into actual dishes and menu items. The culinary team will work on creating recipes, experimenting with different flavor combinations, and considering the overall balance and variety of the menu. They may also take into account factors such as ingredient availability, cost considerations, and kitchen resources. This phase involves creativity, attention to detail, and collaboration among the culinary team. Once the menu items have been finalized, the culinary team proceeds to execute the ideas by preparing and plating each dish in the kitchen. This step involves carefully following the recipes and techniques developed during the development phase. Attention to detail is crucial in ensuring that each plate is presented beautifully and reflects the intended vision of the menu.
You already back? Come back soon for more amazing content.